Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. We're going to pack a little differently today. I'm going to pack a tote bag instead of a backpack. As you guys know, I typically do a backpack or a wheeled bag if I can get away with that on a budget carrier. But today I want to try this tote because we are going to a resort in Florida and I wanted an elevated look. I wanted to try something where I didn't show up looking like I was getting ready to hike the Appalachian Trail. I wanted just a little updated, elevated look. This has a sleeve on the back, so it will slide right on top of Wayne's eBags underseater. A little more information on this bag. It is nylon. Again, it's that puffy texture, which is so fun. It has padded handles. It has a crossbody strap that is adjustable. It has, you'll see a lot of the features when I do the packing part. It also has the trolley sleeve on the back. The measurements on this are 16 by 12 by 7, which make it a perfect bag for me because I am packing for Breeze Airlines and their personal item requirements are 17 by 13 by 8. How are you guys doing with your budget travel? Have you tried any new carriers? I want to hear your experiences. Please share those down in the comments because we can learn from each other. Be on the lookout for the video from this trip. We are going to Tampa Clearwater Beach, and we will do a full trip report where we break down the pack, the budget, and the experience. This is my dry bag. You guys have seen that in multiple packs before. My compression packing cube has 4 days worth of clothing in it, including a blanket, swimsuit, everything I need. This bag here has those miscellaneous items that I usually put in the pockets of my backpack, but I decided to put everything together because I'm packing in this tote. I think it'll make it easier to get them in and out. My Uniqlo bag, my crossbody bag, I wear it to the airport, at the airport, and then I slide it in my tote before I get on the plane. My nighttime kit with my fan, my eye mask, my sound machine. This is my organizer tray. When folded, it becomes a little tray. Again, you guys have seen these before. If you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you're watching this, please go back and watch my previous packing videos. I go into great detail on all of these cool gadgets. I love this bag. I think you guys are going to love this bag too. This front zippered pocket has a nice lining, very nice soft fabric. The zippers are really good. I think your favorite thing about this bag is going to be the way it feels. There is a pocket on the end that will hold your tumbler, your insulated cup. This section down below can be used for shoes, dirty clothes, a towel, miscellaneous slippers, whatever you want to put down there. It does take up space inside the main cavity of the bag, so just keep that in mind. I put my flip-flops and my slippers down there because they lay flat. That's the trolley sleeve I spoke about. You can see it's sewn on either side. I would not put more than 20 pounds in this bag because I think you would compromise the sleeve once it's put on an upright suitcase. There is minimal organization inside this bag. A lot of people like a lot of pockets, and then there's the same amount of people that like minimal pockets, and this is a minimal pocket tote. There's one zippered pocket and then one flat pocket. The crossbody strap is really great because it's adjustable. I really like that feature. I am going to remove it so it doesn't get in the way while I'm packing this bag. Inside of this bottom pocket, I am going to put my slippers and my flip-flops. Now I want to show you the inside so you can see what I'm talking about, where it takes up space. So if you can keep the things flat, that's going to help you pack more in this bag. Then I will put my dry bag on the bottom. They are very handy if your swimsuit is a little damp, or even you can just put dirty clothes in there at the end of your trip, but it does seal in the moisture and seal in the odor. It's really a great travel item to have. and my packing cube on top of that. My folding tray and Ziploc bags I'm going to put in that side pocket. In hindsight, I would have put that in first before I put the packing cube in the bag. Please learn from my mistakes. And then this pouch has so much stuff in it, but it has a lot of comfort items. I wanted to mention the items that I had in here because I think you might find this interesting. This nylon pouch, it folds into itself, obviously. It looks like this, and then it folds out to be a standard size tote bag, and I will put my beach things in that. It's easy to wipe out. It's very lightweight. Then the black and white zippered pouch is my USB powered hot straight iron comb. It's a brush. I think they call it a hot brush. And then the blue item in the bottom left is a beverage sling. It is neoprene, and you wear it crossbody, and you can hold a bottle of water and your cell phone. So it's nice to have that. You go hands-free when you're exploring. And then I also have my notebook that I always journal in. And then the orange container is my utensils, my travel utensils. They're made of silicone, and some of them are bamboo. The pink item is a microfiber towel. It just clips on my bag. If my feet get wet or if something spills, it's something to wipe up quickly. And then the black headband, that is, use that as an eye mask, and it has speakers in it, so I can listen to music when I go to sleep. And this is a pool float, a full-size pool float. It is amazing to me that you can get this in a tote bag. Craziness. Love it. This is my nighttime bag. It has a fan in it, some eye masks, my speaker, and my sound machine. This is my $1.25 toiletry kit that I got from Dollar Tree. There's a video on that as well. And you can Tetris this thing. You'll have to pack, unpack, repack. That's how we learn. And then I always make sure I have room for that crossbody bag because, I don't want to hassle when I get up to the gate agent. I just want to pay my little $49 price on my ticket and get on the flight without any drama. This front pocket is great for my electronics bag with my 2 Anchor multi-plugs and then the power bank, and the Clorox wipes, always a must for any flight, and sanitizing spray. You can put that on, clip that on the handle, or you can just put it inside that pocket. I put it on the side, inside the pocket, so it doesn't get hung up on anything when I'm sliding it in and out from underneath the seat or in the above luggage holder. Because sometimes I can put my luggage up there if there's space up there. Typically, the flight attendants don't care. It's the gate agents who are checking to make sure you are being compliant with the rules of budget carriers when you are paying the lowest priced fare. So if your flight attendant doesn't care, put your bag up top if there's room. Now I'm going to weigh this, and it comes in at, I think, 13 pounds for everything I had in there. I weigh everything. I measure everything. Again, I do not like drama. I do not like confrontation. I don't like to be questioned at the gate. It makes me so nervous. Well, what do you guys think? Isn't she adorable? Now, I add a scarf to my bags. That's me being a little extra. I wanted to also mention that I typically pack my blanket, my hot, cold blanket, but you can also pack a Turkish towel. That would totally fit in this pack as well. What I mean by that is instead of the blanket, which was in my compression cube, I would put this Turkish towel inside the compression cube. Most of the items I have shown you in this video will be listed down below. I do get a small commission if you purchase through the Amazon links. It does not cost you any extra, but it's a great way to support our channel. We also have any credit cards with sign-up bonuses that we have found recently. Those will be linked below. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.